Good afternoon viewers, welcome to another walk around video. It's a bit windy today so I'll talk a bit louder. This is a 2009 on a 59 plate Clio 1.6 GT, that's the petrol version with 126 brake horsepower engine. I've just taken this in part exchange against a Ford Focus and to be honest I just want to move this one on really quickly, but it's sort of too good to trade. These are quite popular, so I'm selling it as spares and repairs. It has an MOT until July. It has got an oil leak which I've got a video of. I think it's eminently capable of passing another MOT and running for another year, but I just don't have time to mess around with this one, and also it's of an age that it would make it difficult for me to put warranty on. So as I say, being sold as spares or repairs, no comeback, trade terms, all that wonderful stuff, so you know what you're buying. You're welcome for any inspection, and it is priced accordingly, extremely cheap. Just move around, I'll give you more detail. Rear bumpers have been painted at some point. It's got a scuff here, some of that will polish out I'm sure. Scuff on the wheel arch, a little chip there, scuff on the plastic trim. Go around the front, but I should say the alloys are scuff around the edges, not horrendous. Centre caps probably need painting more than anything else. Again, front spoiler looks like it's come off and been stuck back on. Chip on the front corner there, and so we go around. Lights all work perfectly. This side's very clean actually. Just wants paintwork, wants a really good polish, mop and polish. A few little dents here and there. There's a little stone chip or mark here, parking dent. Decent tyres all the way around. Oh yeah, there's this damage here on the rear corner. Just moving to the inside, it is missing its partial shelf. For about 15 to 30 quid on eBay. Side seat bolster is damaged. Seats are actually very good apart from that, it's a shame. And moving to the dash, 100,000 miles just completed. Radio has the common volume buttons missing, as in they've worn out. Obviously most people would fit an aftermarket stereo anyway. Probably needs an AC regas. What else can I tell you about it? Yeah, it's a nice little car. I've just driven it probably 30-40 miles. Starts and drives okay. No warning lights, no warning codes. So I say, for somebody, probably a good buy. But come and have a look and see what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.